Hi there. Today we'll talk about a little bit, conditionals. They are a very important part of English. We use conditionals all the time as we use conditionals in our own language, which is Spanish. So let me just tell you that for the conditional sentence, one of the elements that you need to have is a condition. Like if I do exercise every day, that would be a condition. Important word for conditionals is the word if, right? Which gives us a choice or a conditions or introduces a condition. If I do exercise every day, so the results of doing exercise every day, so we have here some of the results of this, the consequences, results, right, is I will lose weight, okay? Like burning calories down because of the exercise. The result would be losing weight. We use will as a consequence will happen in the future. So, and will is for the future. We use will plus the verb in base form, right? So if I do exercise every day, I will lose weight. If I do exercise every day, again, I will feel better. I will feel better physically and mentally, surely. If I do exercise every day, I won't get sick. So we can use want, which is the negative form of will, negative of will. I want, right? Will not. If I do exercise every day, one more time, a negative, I won't gain weight, right? The result is no ganaré peso. If I do exercise every day, I can fit into my old jeans. These three words are also words that we can use with conditionals, right? And this suggests certain probability or possibility of happening. What's happening? What's going to happen? What's coming after. So I can fit into my old jeans, or I may look nicer, physically, or I might avoid going to the doctor in the long run, in the future. So these are the things that we need to do. Something that we have to be careful with right here, as you can see, when we use the if, we use present, right? As we use for habits or routines, I get up early every day. I cook, my meals. I go to work. So, but by putting if at the beginning, so you change that idea, not into a habit or a routine, but into a condition that will bring along a result. And the results will always be expressed through will, want, can, may, or might. So we'll see more about this. Okay, and here we are, just to expand a little bit about the first conditional. And to do so, I'm going to share the following, window, which is the grammar chart or the grammar box I would like you to see. And I'll shut off the video so we have no distractions. And like I told you, on the board, while I was on the board, we use if and we use the simple present, in this part of the clause. If I have, okay. It's not very common, but you can use if I can, right? If I don't, very typically we can use negative to the simple present form. And if I have to get, or if I have, right? Okay, and like I told you to, in the consequence or the second part of a sentence, we use the future will plus the main verb in base form. Once again, will, or the negative form of will, want, and the main verb in simple form. We can use may, we can use might, right? Affirmative or negative, it doesn't matter. We have to use the main verb in base form, okay? Now, we have this exercise, which I would like you to try, doing or matching. Match the if clause on the left or in column A with the appropriate consequences or results in column B, right? So right here we have the columns B, and this is A on the left, B on the right. And let's look at the first sentence. If I eat less fast food. Once again, we have if, and then we have the main verb in that condition in simple present. So we'll match this with the logical result, and that can be letter B, right? That can be letter B. So if I eat less fast food, if you eat less fast food, you might feel a lot healthier. Number two, if you walk to work every day, once again, we can see the verb in the simple form, present. And then we just go with letter C, I guess, right? You'll stay in shape without joining a gym. So if you walk to work every day, you'll stay in shape without joining a gym. That's a logical consequence or result of walking, to work every day. So thank you. Try to do the rest, number 3, number 4, and we just catch up with more examples, on WhatsApp. So thank you so much.